Hello and welcome to this video on how to merge and delete branches in Tricentis Tosca. Before we begin, please note that in order to merge or delete branches, you must have administrative rights. For merging branches, only a user with administrative rights can merge changes from one version to another without manually redoing the work. Let's first take a look at how to merge branches. An important point to note is that branches can only be pulled back into a master branch. Hence, merging can only be performed from the master branch. To begin with the merging process, you first need to open the master branch workspace and ensure that all your objects are checked out. Next, navigate to the Home menu and from the ribbon, click on Project. Your project window will then open, where you need to right-click on the project root element and select Merge Branch from the list. The next step is to select the branch you want to merge with the master branch and click OK. You will then receive a warning message saying that once the branch is merged, it will be permanently deleted when you check in the changed objects. Click OK here to proceed. And finally, before you complete the merging process, you may receive a pop-up mentioning that there are no objects to check out. Click OK and you will see the message Merge Branch Finished on the status bar at the bottom, indicating that you have successfully merged the branch with the master branch. Now let's take a look at how to delete a branch in Tosca. First, you need to open your master branch workspace, navigate to the Home menu, and click on Project. Once the project window opens, right-click on the project root and from the list, select Delete Branch. After this, you need to select the branch you want to delete from the pop-up and click OK. And finally, before you delete the branch, you will receive a pop-up asking you to confirm if you want to delete the branch permanently. Click Yes and it will be deleted. This brings us to the end of this video, and you now understand how to merge and delete branches in Tricentis Tosca.